नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences. Today our topic of concern is Streptococcus pneumoniae in the series of bacteriology. So today we will discuss about the Streptococcus pneumoniae. The common name of this bacterium is Pneumococcus also, formerly known as Diplococcus pneumoniae. It has reclassified as Streptococcus pneumoniae because of its genetic relatedness to Streptococcus, normal inhabitant of the upper respiratory tract of the human being. On morphology, pneumococci are gram-positive, small, slightly elongated cocci with one end broad and other end pointed, representing a flame-shaped or lanceolate appearance. They appear in pair with the broad end opposing each other. They are capsulated and capsule encloses each other. They are non-motile and non-sporing. The culture and culture characteristics include they grow only in enriched media. They are aerobes and facultative anaerobe. The optimum temperature being 37 and pH is 7.8. The growth is improved by 5 to 10% carbon dioxide. The media is used is the blood agar. Colony morphology include on blood agar. After incubation for 18 hours, the colonies are small, dome-shaped and glistening with an area of alpha hemolysis. On further incubation, the colonies became flat with raised edges and central ambonation called the Drottman's or carom coin appearance. You can see this picture. There is a carom coin appearance. On biochemical reaction, it is catalase test is negative, bile solubility test is positive, it ferment the inulin. It is catalase positive and other bile solubility test is positive. Pathogenicity, source of infection endogenous from the colonized area and exogenous from the patient or carrier. Mode of infection by the inhalation. Antigenic structure include the capsular polysaccharide. It is the most important antigen and type specific. Since it diffuse into infective tissue and culture medium, it is called a specific soluble substance. The pneumococci are classified into type based on the nature of the capsular polysaccharide, and more than 90 serotypes are recognized and named as 1, 2, 3 further on. M protein, it is not associated with the virulence. C carbohydrate antigen, it is present in the all pneumococci, so specific species is specific. An abnormal protein beta globulin that participates with C carbohydrate antigen of pneumococci appears in the acute phase sera of the cells of cases of the pneumonia, but disappears during convulsions. It also detected in sera of patient with some other illness. This is known as a C-reactive protein. It is an acute fast substance produced in hepatocytes. Its production is stimulated by bacterial infection, inflammation, malignancy, and tissue destruction. Virulence factors include capsule, it is antiphagocytic, pneumolysine, it is a membrane damaging toxin, has cytotoxic and complement activating properties. You can see antigenic structure and virulence factors of Streptococcus pneumoniae. There is a pneumolysine which is causing the destruction here. The mechanism of pathogenesis is entry of pneumococci into nasopharynx. Colonization of nasopharynx may cause infection of the middle ear, paranasal sinuses, and respiratory tract by direct spread. Infection of meninges can also occur by contiguity or through blood. Enters the blood causing bacteremia, which may also lead to disseminated infection as in the heart, peritoneum, or joints. Disease include the otitis media and sinusitis, pneumonia, lobar pneumonia and bronchopneumonia, tracheobronchitis, meningitis, and other infections include empyema, pericarditis, conjunctivitis, suppurative arthritis, and peritonitis. In lungs, trachea, left and right bronchi is there, and it you can see thickened and irritating alveolar walls with the accumulation of mucus and inflammatory cells are there, which is close-up of alveolus, air sacs. It is on autopsy. You can see this secretions engulfing in the sinuses. Laboratory diagnosis include the sputum, CSF examination, blood examination, synovial fluid in case of arthritis. In children, laryngeal swab can be taken if sputum cannot be collected. Method of examination include direct microscopy, gram stain, smear reveal gram-positive lanceolate shaped diplococci with numerous pulse cells. Mullins reactions, they are showing capsular swelling. It is described by Newfland. On the slide, the sputum is mixed with the specific antiserum against capsular antigen and a loop full of methylene blue solution. The capsule becomes swollen and refractile. Antigen detection is there. Capsular polysaccharide antigen in blood, CSF, urine can be detected by passive latex agglutination, counter immunoelectrophoresis, and coagutination. This is immune electrophoresis image. On culture, media is used. Colony morphology and gram smear are examined from the culture plate and reveals the gram-positive lanceolate-shaped diplococci. Capsular swelling reaction is positive. It is done by mixing the suspension of colonies from culture plate and loop full of specific antiserum and drop of methylene blue solution. Biochemical reaction, optogen sensitive. It is optogen sensitive. Animal inoculation from specimen where organisms are expected to be scanty. Isolation may be obtained by intraperitoneal inoculation in mice. Serology include antibodies can be demonstrated by agglutination and precipitation test. Treatment include penicillin and its derivative, cephalosporin also used, and vancomycin. In epidemiology, pneumococci occurs in the throat of the approximately half the population sampled at the time. Spreading is facilitated by overcrowding, and disease result only when the host resistance is lowered by factors such as respiratory viral infection, pulmonary congestion, malnutrition, immunodeficiency, stress, and alcoholism. Prophylaxis include a polyvalent vaccine containing the capsular antigen of 23 most prevalent serotypes is being used. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this session. If any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.